Hello, my name is Simon Müller. I'm the product manager for CANoe.DiVa. We will start a series of short engineering snippets to show you what additional features you can use in CANoe.DiVa to improve the test apps. Today, in the first video, I will start with the service view. Switch to test configuration, diagnostic services. Here in the service view I see all the services that are used for testing. I can activate or deactivate them, and I can also modify request values, for example. So I'll take that service here. You see here we got one parameter for that identifier which can be modified. Just select another value. So every time DiVa will use that service, it will use the value vector when sending the service to the module. So I can modify request values. It's also possible for response parameters to define or to specify what values I expect from the response. So for example, we go to that read service here. We have the hardware supplier, and I double click on that field here, and I can change it to a constant value that I expect here. For example, I expect that the hardware supplier maybe is also vector. So every time the test sends that request to the module and the module responds, DiVa will check if the value is vector. Okay, so here it's not only possible to add constant values, also possible to check against system variables. System variables are global variables within CANoe. So you can select a system variable here which is checked against the received value. So that doesn't make sense here for hardware supplier, but I got a system variable for the wheel sensor. Can search for the wheel here. So wheel speed, and yeah, so I can select a parameter here and attach a system variable to that parameter. It's also possible to define a deviation depending on the resolution of the value. So maybe I got a deviation of 5, whatever. So then every time DiVa receives that response, it will check against this system variable, and everything that is plus minus 5 is still okay. So how does the system variable come into DiVa? This can be configured in the project configuration. There's CANoe environment, and here you can give a system variable file. The system variable file itself again can be exported from CANoe. So in CANoe you go to environment, system variables, and then go here, export, and export to file, and then by opening it in DiVa it is available to DiVa. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. The next video will be about system conditions. See you.